Hi children, good afternoon. Today I am going to explain area. Okay. In previous classes, perimeter is completed. Exercise 10.1 and today area. Okay. See here, the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. See here, first one circle. This is closed figure. Yes, this inner surface. This is called area. Understand? The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Okay? That is definition. We have to draw this diagram 1, 2 examples, and after you have to write definition area. Okay, some points are there. See here children, the area of one full square is taken as one square unit. See here, for example, one complete square. This figure is occupied one square, full one square, that is we have to take one square unit. Okay, if it is centimeter square feet, okay, then area of one full square will be 1 square centimeter. Second point, ignore portions of the area that are less than half a square. Okay. Next, third one, if more than half of a square is in a region, just count it as one square. Okay. Next, if exactly half the square is counted, taken its area as half square unit. Okay, 1/2 square unit. Okay, such a conventions gives a fair estimate of the desired area. Okay, based on these points, this 1, 2, 3 examples they given. See here, first one, example 10. Find the area of the shape shown in the figure 10.10. See here children, one square diagram is there, dot dot dot, and one figure is there. See here, first one, how many fully filled squares are there? See here, 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 square unit. Yes. Next, how many half filled squares are there? 1, 2 and 3. 3. Yes. 3 means, see here, this figure is made up of line segments. Moreover, it is covered by full squares and half squares only. This makes our job simple. See here, first one, full-filled squares are 3. Yes. Next, half-filled squares are 3. Yes. See here, this one you have to write in form, square unit form, 3 square unit. Okay, this one, 3 half means 1 half, 1 half, 1 complete, half half, 1. This half, 1 integer, 1/2 square unit. Yes. Next, area covered by full squares. Area covered by full squares. See here, 3 plus 1 integer, 1/2. Okay. The total 4 integer, 1/2 square unit. Understand? 3 plus 1 integer, 1/2. 3 plus 1, 4 and half. 4 integer 1 by 2 square units. Understand this problem? Okay. Next problem. See here children. Example 11. By counting squares, estimate the area of the figure 10.9b. Okay. Solution. Make an outline of the figure on a graph sheet. Graph sheet is there. They given one figure. See children, covered area. You have to make one table. Fulfilled squares. How many fulfilled squares are there? Number of fulfilled squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Okay. 11 square unit. Half filled squares 3 are there. Okay. Next, more than half filled squares 7. Less than half filled squares 5. Okay. Half filled squares you have to count 3. 3 is there. So 1 integer 1 by 2. Yes. More than half means you have to count completely. Okay. Full. 7. Less than half, that is not, don't take that one because of less area. Less than half filled squares 5, but you don't take area, don't consider in area. Okay. See here, first fulfilled squares 11. Okay. Plus 3 half. Next 7, more than half means you have to take full. Okay. 7. So complete 19 integer 1 by 2 square unit. Understand? This like tables, this like figures, you have to make one table, you get easy answer. More than half filled squares you have to count completely. Less than half, don't take area. Okay. Fulfilled half completely. Half filled, that one half you take. Okay. Okay children. Example 10 and 11 today completed. Once again you have to clarify these two examples. After tomorrow I will explain example 12. Today, yesterday homework completed. Today completed or not? Today complete that one. Area examples 11 and 10 we have to clarify. Once again you have to read. Okay. Thank you.